Hey guys, we're doing a Monday walk after all the heavy yesterday's food, and you would have seen the video of the Sikh kebabs and the tandoori chicken. You brought me up a slope, Karishma. Hi Karishma, by the way.
Hi.
Karishma's in a backpack and everything. Mini Cooper. Yeah, so guys, two things to share in this video. Both are important. One is we have to very soon probably look at buying another house in the US as an investment, okay, not to live. Yeah, so we're walking and talking. I hope I'm not sounding out of breath. So pretty, guys, just near our house. There are benches, and I guess that may be some kind of small theater. Karishma's with her bag and everything. Water, phone. What do you carry in your bag, Karishma?
Water.
Water. Such a big bottle. Yeah, actually, I'll need some water very soon. So guys, this is just near our house. 3-minute walk. Beautiful benches over there and a walk path. Goes both ways. So we have Central Park in Tenafly. Huh?
Yeah.
Just like Central Park. Yeah, that may make a good thumbnail for the video.
Yeah.
We have Central Park near our house. This is somebody's sunroom over here. Is this someone's house or part of the park? Looks like a private house. So yeah, just going around there. Nothing too much. Yeah, so Karishma, I was telling my subscribers that this house may not be the only one. What is your views?
Yeah, never say never. You always have to keep thinking and going with the flow.
I mean, not to retire, but just as an investment. Florida.
Will you check this out?
Yeah, check this area out. Yeah, so Karishma is navigating while I talk to you guys. We were thinking of Florida for the weather because it's always nice weather. You can ride a bike throughout the year. Outdoor activities throughout the year. You know, New Jersey is like 6-7 months decent weather, then 4 to 5 months are bad. As in, you have to wear jackets, you have to wear gloves, all that. Oh, this is so nice. Really cool. Huh?
Yeah, I think it is so.
I want to show you guys the walk as well as the talk. It's a walk and talk vlog. So just see how empty it is. I mean, it's a Monday, it's a holiday. I think everyone's busy with their hangover from last night. Late parties and fireworks. We were up early. Darren's off to the gym. Ivanka's at home playing and doing her reading and all that. She didn't want to come in the sun. So we just came out. Max 1 hour. We'll walk and go back home. Build up an appetite for lunch. We got some nice statues here. You've been here, no? Before?
Not before.
What is this here? Mayor John Manos. Is that the mayor? I don't think. The mayor is not a lion, I'm sure. Yeah, so that's the main road, and our house is the next lane. But this is quite nice. I'm just showing you guys raw videos of while we walk around. Both wearing our walking shoes. Karishma's new shoes are getting dirty. You need trekking shoes.
Oh, you can see the deers.
Oh yeah, there are deers there. Big bunch of them and a baby deer too.
Deer crossing.
Deer crossing. Karishma is showing Ivanka the deers on a video call because Ivanka wasn't with us. And so many big Christmas kind of trees here, guys. Check it out. So anyways, gotta keep walking. It's quite hot. It's 85 Fahrenheit. For US standards, that's quite hot. So there are two upcoming decisions we have to make as a family. One is when Darren starts college, he's going to need his own car. I know last time at the Merc, I kind of confused you guys. That was just a loaner car. But Darren is going to need his own car very soon. and obviously as his parents we are going to pay for it and do all that. He may pay for the fuel and the insurance, we don't know, depends if he still works. Whenever I vlog there's a plane or a car passing. That's the sad part. So let the plane go, and I may or may not edit the sound out. So guys, yeah, Darren needs his own car, which we will be buying. We will buy a very small car because we have to fit it in the driveway behind the Merc. Okay, we can't park on the road overnight. You are not allowed to park on the road between 2 in the morning and 6 in the morning. By the law, you can get a ticket of our city, Tenafly. So that's good. Otherwise, a lot of outsiders will come and park their cars on the streets without, So everyone has to park the car in the garage or the driveway. That's very important, number one. Our driveway, currently we have the Merc, and in the garage we have the bike and the Jeep. I've explained why in the different videos. So the Jeep and BMW bike are safe in the garage. It's a 2-car garage. And the Merc is out always overnight. And then behind the Merc, before the road, between the road and the driveway, we're going to have the new car. Now, whether it's new or second hand, I don't know. But because it's for Darren, we don't want a car which is so bad and so old where he's going to have to, where it breaks down or whatever. Or if it's a small car like a Mini Cooper or Fiat 500 or a BMW X2, then if it's a BMW X2 or a Mini Cooper or a Fiat 500, then Karishma may want to take it to work every day or whenever she goes to work, because it's a small car. It's maneuverable in New York City traffic. And Darren and I will share the Jeep and the Merc. So yes, that is the update on the car. Now coming back to the house, guys, it's nothing we're going to rush into, but we did buy this house at a lower budget than what we were planning. So the balance money which we had as spare or whatever you want to call it will go to buy a new house in Florida, an apartment kind of condo, investment property, whatever you want to call it, holiday home, retirement home, anything. So yes, that's going to happen. I would hope to do it before the year ends, but maybe early next year then. That will happen also. And then if we sell the houses we have in India, which is in Andheri, Bombay and Pune, then we are probably going to buy even a bigger house here. So that's the plan. That's the plan, because our philosophy is not to be in debt. We want to pay cash as much as we can. All right, you were waiting here for me.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you're coming back. What are the regulations here? No alcoholic beverages, no animal pets, ball playing, nothing. Just walk around. Very strict park. So yeah, I think Karishma is getting bored of me vlogging and walking. More deer over there. I think these are all private houses here.
Yeah, these are private houses,
But this is all the park.
and you have to walk to park here from kind of going.
But it's so nice, guys, to have this big park near. It's literally as good as Central Park, but a smaller form. Like here they've got the soccer and all this. Someone's private house, huh? They've got soccer, swing, backyard stuff. There's no end to how big of a house you can buy. So I don't know, our philosophy is we now have a house which is big enough for what we need. Who knows, Darren will move out in 2 years and then the house will be too big for us. We don't want a house so big where we'll just be cleaning it and maintaining it. So we are very happy with the house we have. I know people in the US, their egos take over and they start buying bigger houses. I have a lot of friends like that. But we are planning to do something else in another state. We're not married to New Jersey. So let's see how it goes. What do you say, Karishma?
Yeah, absolutely. Maybe something in the mountains and something by the beach.
Yeah. The mountains or the beach, I don't know how well they appreciate, but those are like amazing holiday homes to have. So is this even a walkway?
I have no idea.
We'll have to explore and see. Yeah, I think that's the same parking we looked at.
It is on.
Yeah, so this is a nice midday walk we're doing, and it's quite cozy now. It's not very sunny. And sorry again, guys, about these raw vlogs because I can't carry my big camera for all this. I was just walking. I thought let's have a chat, kind of a hard talk video. So yeah, should we sign out, Karishma? I think I want to focus on the walk now.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let me spend some time chatting with Karishma and focusing on the walk. And enough vlogging now. Take care, guys. Please comment what I spoke about, the car and the house. We are in no rush for either. There's a deer here. Don't let him attack us. Oh God, that was a close one. I don't want to be attacked by a deer. You never know if he's scared. He made. They're like 500-600 pounds. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. I think he'll let us pass, but
Yeah, they're used to humans. Like
we should walk or we want to rush.
no, we can go around.
Okay, Karishma doesn't want to take a chance. Is there a way from here?
I'm scared of it grazing nicely.
I was just vlogging it, talking, and I was like,
I didn't even notice.
the deer in the
looking
just
on the other
like 6 feet away from me, man. First time a deer so close to me. It's like India, right? The stray dogs and the cows on the road. The deers are out here. So a lot of people don't like them actually because they poop in their backyard and eat their grass and all that. So yeah, please comment about what you saw in the video and give your opinion. As always, my subscribers have very, very good opinions. So I like to listen to what you say. I think this way out, right? Yeah. Alright, Karishma, we are signing out.
Bye, everyone. Have a good rest of the week. Stay safe.
Stay safe, guys. Peace out. Ryan Woodman 75 Instagram. Take care. Bye.